Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are checking out the GreenYi wireless CarPlay. If you want to use your phone in your car without any fuss, this might be what you are looking for. Okay, let's dive into what's inside the package of the CarPlay. We've got some interesting stuff here. First up, we have not one but two mounts. These are going to help secure the device in your car. Next, we've got the user manual. Definitely worth giving this a read to make sure we are getting the most out of the CarPlay. You can quickly charge your phone using the USB input of the car's cigarette lighter charger. Now let's see the star of the show, the car multimedia player itself. It's got a sleek design and that 7-inch touchscreen we have been talking about. Can't wait to see how it performs in the car. We have a Type-C input, also a TF card reader, and one input for video and one for the music. You can use it for Android Auto, CarPlay, screen mirroring, and also as an FM player, Bluetooth player, or for reverse parking. You have the flexibility to choose how you want to play music, via cable, Bluetooth, or even through FM frequencies. The camera resolution is impressive, possibly surpassing that of some more expensive car models. It connects to your phone without the need for any cables, ensuring a fast and easy user experience. Installation is straightforward. The CarPlay unit easily connects to your car's existing infotainment system. The package includes all the necessary cables and mounting accessories, making the setup process hassle-free. You can use your own apps for navigation, playing music, and managing messages. You have the option to use it in full screen mode or split the screen into two sides, allowing you to run two apps in the same time. For instance, you could have navigation on the left and Spotify on the right. Whether you need navigation assistant, want to stream your favorite music, or even respond to message hands-free, the CarPlay has you covered. It seamlessly integrates with your phone, giving you access to your apps. So after spending some quality time with the GreenYi wireless CarPlay, I can confidently say that it's a fantastic addition to any car. The convenience of wireless connectivity, seamless integration with any Apple or Android devices, and intuitive interface make it a must-have for tech-savvy drivers. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.